everyone, and thanks for joining me again today. That's providing I get this up on the same day, but anyway, if not, it will be up tomorrow. I am back with some more craft room organisation. Now, in a previous video, I made these little drawer dividers out of old book pages. I will link the video below. And now I want to make use of them. So I have another drawer that has all of these flowers in, and there's like 5 containers here, and that, you know, I have to go in the drawer and get them all out, which isn't a biggie because they are in nice containers. But actually I've got something I want to use these containers for, which might serve a better purpose than what the flowers are doing. So I thought, well, hang on a minute, I might be able to sort them out into this box, and then I might be able to use them. Obviously these big ones won't go in, but the chances of me using these big ones are probably quite slim. But there are some really pretty other ones in here that, you know, I could use and I'm not using, and they're just sat here. So I thought I'll have a little sort out and see if I can get some of these flowers into this box here. So let's have a look. I've got these lovely little ones. I've bought these from AliExpress, and these are adorable. So they could all go into one little, because these actually, you actually peel them off. There's like hundreds here, but you actually, when they turned up like that, I was like, what is that? It's a big clump. But actually you just pull the little flowers off, and there are like so many in here. So I'll put those in there. And I've got lots of, you know, sort of flowers here that I could really use. They're just adorable. And they're not getting the use. So I thought I could just pull this drawer out if I want some flowers. And right, I've got a lot of these sort of ones as well. Where are they? Like these lovely paper flowers, and these are gorgeous. Let me get those out. Try some paper ones. I've got more in the other one. They're not paper. Let me. Right, these are like fabric-y sort of flowers, but I want to just pull out these paper ones. That's a fabric one. And just so that I can, and then what I'll do is, you know, when I've started using these, I'll refill it back up. So this is kind of a go-to drawer for my flowers, and I'll have, if I can just clear out a couple of these compartments, I'll be happy, really. Do you know what I mean? Because they're just not getting used. And I thought if they were in here, I could pull this drawer out, put it on my table, and actually see more of what I have. So I'm going to just stick all of the paper ones in. I have quite a lot of sparkly sort of ones, so I'm going to have one for, you know, really pretty ones that are already sparkly and yummy. So let's put all the sparkly yummy ones in there. There's quite a few of those. And then I'm going to stick my paper ones. These big ones I can't get in here, but these little ones I can. See, the yummy ones I'm just going to put in there. Then I've got these like artificial flower ones, which I've just took apart. So let's put the artificial flower types in here. Oh, I've got another one of those, and I just thought, well, I might be able to actually see them to use them now, you know. In fact, I've actually got quite a few. Let's stick those in there. So paper ones, artificial. Oh, these are nice sparkly ones. Actually, I've got quite a few of those, so let me separate them and stick them in there. Oops. Get out. Oh no, they're all stuck to me. Right, let's put me sparkly ones in there, and then I can put these sort in there. Like more artificial ones. That's a bit rubbish. Paper ones. Now these are smaller paper ones, so let me just take those out for a minute. The sort of jingly jangly one. sparkly one. Artificial. Got some smaller paper ones, so I'm going to hold them aside for a minute because I do have another bit for small ones, shall we say. Right, paper. Oh, that's a... Right, there's another glittery one. Like I said, even if I just get some of these out of here so that I can use them, you know, I'm not using them while they're stuck in here. So that is the plan. If we can just get these down to... I've got some that I've already kind of done. Let me just, oops, put those in there. Right, we can always sort them out a bit better in a minute. Right, let's just take them out of there for a minute. Now, in here, I've got a few that I've kind of sparkled up with a gemstone or something, so they can go in there. There's a few of those, I think. So ones with little gemmers, as Franny would say, I can put in there now. I have lots more of these paper ones, so let's start another paper one. And then maybe we could colour code them later on if I get more time. I never colour code things, really. These are little wallpaper ones. Let's put the small ones in here. Let's do one for smaller ones. Tell you what, we'll do medium and small, or we'll do small, medium. They're small, aren't they? Oops. Right. And we'll do the medium ones in there. Right. Oh, I tell you what I do have a lot of. Let me just put these little ones in here. Now we've got, let's do, I tell you what we'll do small, medium, and large. We'll put the big ones in a big one. We'll sort those out because I'm thinking, no, they're not too bad. Right, we can get to sorting out the sizes later on. My goodness me, I'm trying to be too pernickety now, aren't I? Another one with a little gemstone on. There's quite a few of those with little gems in the middle. How did I put the large ones there? Oops. Little ones, medium ones, little ones, medium, medium, medium. Right. Right, they're flat ones, they're not really the shaped ones. God, I remember making some of these so long ago, like these here. I made them so long ago. Right, I need to be using this stuff instead of it sat in a drawer. Oops, more ones with bling on. These are quite flat flowers, so I don't know what I would use those on at the moment. Let's put those ones in there, and then those ones in there. And then what we could do is, where did I put that other pot? I'll just put those in there, and we've got an empty container now, and they can stick there till I know. Right, I have 3 compartments left, so we have a look in here. I've got some more of some nice, did I have one for the gemstone ones? Let's put the small ones and do the big ones in there. Am I still in shot? Yep. Right, that's it. We'll put the bigger ones in there. God, we've got some large. They will kind of go. Oh, we've got some really lovely, look at those. They're delicious. Oh, look at those. All sparkly and yummy. Oh, look. They're delicious, they are. Don't know why I've never used those. Another one there. Oops, another one there. Quite a few of those. Look, I could be using them. And then these bigger flowers like these, which I don't really use that much because they don't fit in the journal. So I do keep them just in case. But we'll put our yummy like ones in there. And oh, that's stuck on there. Right. The big flowers can stay in there for now. And what have we got left in here? Now these are all diddy widdy flowers. So what I might do is, oh, I've got 2 containers left. What can we use them for? Now actually I could put those in there. Put those, hang on a minute. And put all those there. And that leaves me three containers. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a handful. Oh look, there's a lot of these ones. Don't we have ones with pearls on? Oh, there's another one of those. These are lovely. These have got lots of little ones with little pearls and things in the middle. I should be using these, shouldn't I? Oh, we've got some green foliage. Stick that over there for now. I think what I'm going to do with these is I'm just going to like put a handful in these so that they can get used. Oh, there's another one of those. That one's missing its pearl. These are quite cute. Where could I put those? Where in there maybe. Let's stick those in there. And these little pearl ones could go in here, couldn't they? Lots of these little pearl ones. We'll stick the pearl ones in there. Gosh, I remember making these. I'm going to put some of these little pearl ones in here as well. Now, obviously, I haven't managed to sort this out completely, but I just wanted to give you an idea of a way that you can store things. And, you know, these little compartments are absolutely fantastic. I mean, I haven't really solved a problem. I've made one blank container, but what I'm trying to do is get to use my things. Now, when they're all stuck in a drawer like this on top of each other, I don't use them. I can't see them. I'm terrible. I'm one of these people that like to see things. So this is a way I can just pull my drawer out and use them, you know, go, oh, I'm going to use one of those. Oh, I want one with a pearl on. Oh, there's one there. Let's make our way through some of these things that are just sat in drawers hidden away. Yes, it's going to be in a drawer, but it's one that I can pull out, when I need it. And you know, they're there. They're all, where did I put those little packets? See, what I could actually now do is put my little packet of wallpaper ones in there as well, store those in there, so we've got them out of the drawer. And you know, I have made a bit of a dent, shall we say, but it's more about using the products and seeing them, you know what I mean, and thinking, oh my gosh, I've got this, and you know, rather than being really jammed in drawers and on top of each other and everything else. So, oh, I've just found another pearl one. It's just an idea for you. You might prefer to have them stacked like I had them in the other drawer. You might prefer to have them like this, but these are really cool because you can just go like this. Oh, I need those. I'm going to use those today on my project. Oh, and I might use those. Oh, let's just take those out. So you don't even need to take the whole drawer out. And now I have a little dinky doo one with lots of different ones in as well. Where's the pearly ones? No, I was putting those pearls in there, weren't I, in the little gemstone ones. But do you know what I mean? Now I can say, oh, I want one with a little gem on or a little pearl on, and they're all here, you know. Right, I might use them, is what I'm saying. So I hope that this has inspired you, and like I said, I'll put the link to the video to make these little compartments, because you might prefer it that way. And you don't just have to put flowers, you can put buttons, stickers, all sorts. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Another little bit of craft room organisation, even though I haven't really achieved an awful lot. I've made a drawer of things that I can actually get out and use and see better now. So I'm going to love you and leave you for now, and I will see you all very, very soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.